Let me offer some final reflections. Overall, cyber matters, but it does not dominate warfare independently. Cyber operations, as the war in Ukraine has shown, operate alongside many other capabilities. Intel, drones, electronic warfare, artillery, logistics, all these other things around communications, and the broader, conventional military force. So it's one node within a much larger operational system. And perhaps that is the most important takeaway from Ukraine. If you continue searching for the single decisive cyber moment, perhaps the cyber Pearl Harbor, or whatever it might be, the cyber silver or red bullet or whatever you want to call it, or this one revolutionary capability or case that changes warfare in the direction of the conflict on its own, we really misunderstand and we risk misunderstanding what is actually happening on the battlefield. What matters is not a singular capability in isolation, but what matters is a constellation. It is the interaction between all of these different systems, platforms, and forms of access that shape operational outcomes. Cyber operations matter most when they are integrated into the broader constellations of warfare. And that shifts the central question. The question is not, what is the decisive cyber capability? But the more important question is, how do all these smaller pieces fit together? And what happens when one of them disappears? Because modern warfare increasingly depends on interconnected systems. An interconnection of those systems becomes the strategic importance and shifts from nodes, dependencies, and relationships that hold the constellation together.